Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your phone number on Discord application. So if you can see, this is the Discord interface. So what you need to do, you need to click here, use the settings option, and then you can see the option phone number, and you can see here edit. If you didn't add your phone number yet, then you will see the interface like this. Or if you already add your phone number or uh, phone, then you can see here change or edit, then you can change your email. So click here add, and you can see this is the country code. You have to choose which country you belong to. So maybe like randomly give, and you have to give your phone number here, and then they send to OTP code, and you have to copy, or you have to use that code here, then your phone number will be added successfully. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.